Now Snowden has gonna be man. Not happening. And it does. But it'll get better with this show outside. Let's see. Holy Jesus Christ. Hear that shit? Okay, good. This is lost. This is why I want to move to California. See this shit? See that wind? You can barely see. Look at the van. You can barely see it now. Oh my God. Am I open? Ooh, the doors are closed. You can barely see that van now. I'm not looking forward to this. This is going to be tomorrow. You're loud snoring. That's my father. This is why I want to move to California. Point, case proven. Look. I'm just going to take this down. Ooh, it's cold. The wind is howling. It sounds god-awful. You hear the news in the background. Snowman. More snow. Oh, look, Easter bunnies. That's actually the my sibling. There's Angel on it. Ew. This is why I want to move to California. Why? Ew. Ew, a dead mosquito. Nasty. Keep the star up there because it's cute. Oh wait, I thought that was 06 we had flooding. Yeah. Mechanical silence. I feel so bad for the animals that are in zoos, like out here in the Midwest. They're probably like, I want to go back to my origin. Africa, India, Asia, whatever, wherever. Australia, New Zealand. Oh look, it's a cute little star. Ugh, Groundhog Day. It's gonna be a crap load. No for us. She's a little star. Squishy. Oh my God. Sorry for this painting. This used to be blue, but you can't tell. With this squishy star, let's put it up where the little light is. Cute. I'm bored, as you can tell. But really, this is why I want to move to California. Holy sweet Jesus. Ugh. We're supposed to get thunderstorms? We only had that in New York, so it's like a hurricane snowstorm. That's insane. I might make a video for that, because I'm really bored. I have nothing better to do but sit around in the house anyways. This is why I wish I were in Cali. The ocean view. Hear the ocean crashing on the beach. Nice weather, sun. Not cold, freezing ass. I mean, really? I just want here to hear how windy it is. There's cars, and you can kind of see them. The visibility is atrocious outside. Woo, it's the light in my house, so it looks kind of cool and freaky at the same time. Like you kind of see on a front porch. If you look at the streets. My mom and I tried shoveling, but it didn't make a difference. Look at the front over here. Shoes. Random stuff. Picture of us. Oh, lovely. Hear the news, people? You hear that? 2 to 3 inches per hour. Shoot me now. Oh. 51 miles per hour, is according to Channel 7 News in Chicagoland. God save us all from this madness. Take me to Hawaii, California, Arizona, somewhere where someone's trying to get in their car. You could barely see them. Are you kidding me? Who the hell's snow blowing? People are snow blowing in this psycho fucking ass weather. You want to die? Like, from, I don't know. I hear snowblower somewhere. Get your ass in the house and stay warm and safe, people. All I have to say, I feel bad for the people of New York because they just dealt with all this shit. Now we have to deal with it. Holy shit. Oh, look at it. Holy Jesus, Lord. That wind is howling like a motherfucker. Sorry for cussing, but I'm gonna let you all go. Please stay safe and warm if you're in the Indiana, Chicagoland area, Wisconsin, Minnesota, wherever in the Midwest. Stay your ass in the house. Don't come out and stay safe and warm. Screw this shit. I feel bad for the people of New York. You just got dumped on, now you can get more. Lord have mercy on the people on the East Coast, New Jersey, New York, the Massachusetts, Delaware, Connecticut, Maryland. So bad for you. Vermont, Maine, Pennsylvania, New Hampshire. I'm going to cut this short, but you can see this holy hell of ice and cold. This is why I'm moving to California. Bye.